Guys, welcome back. Welcome to 2020 god dang 6, okay? So where have I been? I'm kind of honestly I'm kind of in the middle of building my companies right now. And I'm kind of dealing with burnout to be honest. And I won't lie, it's been pretty slow starting out in 2027, 2026. I'm playing. That's 2027 was the joke. Okay. Anyways, but I want to get back into the videos, and I just want to get back into the rhythm, and really like focus on grounding myself, and I think that's the only way through is through trading. So I gotta just like gra- ground myself and really just find calmness in the chaos, right? There's a lot of chaos happening and a lot of things personally, um, and a lot of me kind of being a lazy ass. I am not gonna lie, because honestly I do have time in the day to make a 10-minute video, but I'm not. So obviously that says something about me, because that says I'm lazy, okay? But I am working, guys. I am building a potential billion-dollar company. I promise I'm gonna look back on this video on January 12th. Okay, guys, I'm saying it here. I'm building a freaking billion-dollar company. My hair. Frick. Okay, and also I've been having like enjoying life a little, taking it easy. But I can't slack. There's people out beating me right now. Okay, so um, obviously it's very important to take care of your mental health. Listen to your body. Don't overdo it. Rest. But also know the difference between when it's laziness versus when you need actual rest, right? Anyways, I hope you guys are having a good start to this year. I just want to I actually want to start in the daily chart and show you from there. I think we'll get a better perspective. So obviously, beginning of January, right? We started reclaiming the 5 day, right? Bounce off that 20 day, 5 day, and that clear test was the top of the Bollinger, right? And then you can see we keep using the 5 day as a support, 5 day as a support, all the way up, testing back of Bollinger right here, right? Top of Bollinger, right? So we just keep seeing that still come up, right? The 5 day still come up, price coming up with it, and then the Bollinger pushing up as well. So let's see what happens tomorrow. But ultimately, you do want to wait for the 5 day to just keep pushing up with this, especially in this area. So don't trade without the support of the 5 day. Essentially, see where the 5 day is tomorrow, and hopefully we keep getting bounces off that. But this is a pretty good resistance area. You can see the top, right? Oh, see the top right here. So we can obviously start left shoulder, head right here, and then right shoulder off of here, right? Complete an inverse cup, right? And then keep going down, right? So this is obviously a possibility with the 50 day, right? So to pay attention to that, and don't try to go long early right here, especially right here. Just wait for better liquidity to build, right? And then take it off 5 day or whatever, all the way up again, right? And just keep waiting for the 5 day to just keep pushing us up here. And 5 day is a really good safety area, right? And just wait. Just over here, doesn't look very attractive for either a short or longs yet. So just wait it out and see based on market structure 5 day, right? But again, to see continuation up, the 5 day has to push up. We need to see the Bollinger trend up, right? Same thing, bottom Bollinger has to trend up, right? So all of these we were looking for, right? And then of course, if you want to short this, you want to wait at least till we break down from 5 day, right? Use a 5 day as some sort of right shoulder, right? And then keep heading down, right? Start closing these levels right here, and then this gap right here, right? Alpha right here, and all the way, right? So we have good ways to go down. If you are headed down, just be patient, honestly. And yeah, I have to get back into it, guys. I have to start aligning again, and I'm sorry, guys. And it is a bit of laziness, also a bit of content, too much content, and I don't know why, but I guess like I'm being pulled in so many different directions right now with my. Actually, I'm working on two different companies, and then I had the third, which was my Project X, but I kind of postponed that. But one company is focused on tax credits, right, and then the other one, tax credits, affordable housing. Second is a sales go-to-market platform. So I have business partners. I have a lot to deal with, guys, and honestly, I still feel unaccomplished. I don't know why, but yeah, it's something I'm dealing with, and it's kind of bringing me down mentally. I'm not gonna lie, but all I need is God by my side, and I know I'll be okay. I implore everyone to start this year off closer with God, even if um, you don't want to force it. It's okay. Just sometimes, remember um, to conversate, to trust in God, and I don't know if you guys are Muslim or whatever, so I can't preach that, but just trust in God, believe in God. That's across Christians and Muslims as well. So, yeah, trust in God, give yourself over to God, trust in His judgment, don't chase, um, and everything will align. I'm dealing with like talking to so many people about my company, hiring people. It's a lot of work. And I had a good vacation for New Year's, guys. Well, the whole December I was kind of on vacation. I went to Florida, stayed there for a week and a half or so. Um, then I went to New York at the end of December, spent Christmas, New Year's, all that in New York. Amazing, loved that. And even overstayed in New York, lol, and met some good people. Spent a lot of money. I guess you could say that's why I'm back. I'm back. I'm back after seeing the Bella Plague. uh, uh, but yeah, I am in the process of building, and it's my past 4 or 5 years of trading. It's all led up to this moment, and I am really putting a lot into it, and it's also it can also be a life-changing potential. I'm not saying trading isn't life-changing either, but it's something to build a legacy. It's something to um, just, in my opinion, positively impact the world, and that's what I want to do. I want to leave a positive impact, and yeah, and I'm focused on that. That's my mission for 2026 and further down in my life. Yeah, so I hope you guys have made good goals this year, and hopefully all that comes true. And I love you guys, and I'm back. Okay, it took me a week and a half, but I'm back. I will try to be consistent. I will be consistent. I am gonna be consistent, and if I am not, I will keep you guys updated. But I just don't want to feel obligated or pressured, and really just live while not overextending myself and enjoying life at the same time. Even though I don't agree with enjoying life when you're early, young, and honestly, like I want to struggle right now. I want to work hard, and I am. And I will get back to it. I'm sorry, guys. You see me yawn like 5 times. I'm so tired. But I want to go over today, maybe that one trade, right? So, off a 5 day, right, we have beautiful bounces. And then same structure right here, beautiful bounce right here, same structure again. And then you just have to notice this tapering, right? And just manage the trade within that. And there's good opportunities because you realize the risk to reward, right? The risk to reward is pretty good right there. Um, Same thing, risk to reward. If you entered a trade from right here, right, even right here, right, good risk to reward all the way up right here. But this was a good risk to reward. Um, Same thing, right? This was a pretty good risk to reward right here. So yeah, all of that uh, is all you need to observe for today. And you didn't have to overcomplicate it at all, but understand that we did have that tapering algo present in the 1 minute as well as that 30 minute, right? and even in the 5 minute that I can show you guys. But it's also because we're at the top of the Bollinger. It's pretty makes sense, right? So you see how the markets all just reveal everything. But yeah, same thing right here. You have the teal tapering right here, right? So yeah. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye.